All right.
Now the last thing I wanted to show you guys is the sump. The sump is supposed to be a hole to the lowest part of the home, and if any water collects in the sump, what happens is that float will raise to a point that triggers the operation of the sump to take water out of the white pipe, and we saw earlier that we have the black corrugated pipe around the white pipe. It turns out that at the time of shooting this video, we happen to have the sump active, as we still have remnants of the storm that affected us here on the East Coast recently. So I'm not going to keep the video running just to show you what it looks like. So I'll cheat a little. I'm going to reach into the sump pit and raise the float to show you what happens here. So that we would have kept recording long enough, that float would have raised to a level that activated the pump and expelled water.
Actually went off a minute ago.
Okay, well, one of the other things we may be doing down here is we'll have another pump set higher up that works on either a marine battery or water power. This is to be determined. As a backup in case we're not home to put the generator in action if there's a situation where there's a flood. I'd highly recommend that you have the generator full of fuel if there's any suspicion of large amounts of rainfall or a storm coming into the area. And another thing would be to find out from your mechanic how easy it is to siphon gas out of your car. And I know I need to do this, to siphon gas out of a car in order to get that into the generator if there's a widespread power outage that also affects gas stations in the area working. Okay, stay dry.